Well, here I am at the center of our Malecon. Kind of a nice area on a Wednesday morning. Not very busy. I'll show you what it's like to go under. I'm going to walk under the road that goes out to the pier. It's pretty cool. Actually, when you come out, after I come out on the other side of going underneath this road, the road actually goes out to the longest pier in Mexico. But I think coming out of this, what looks like a tunnel out onto the playa, is pretty cool. Yep, the longest pier in Mexico. Just a little snippet of what it's like here down on the beach in Progreso on another quiet day. I'm off to get my guanabana today and cool down. Catch you later. Bye.